So for this video we're going to do garage conversion. I missed the video, I didn't take a video of that, clearing it out. But we're going to start with just getting rid of all stuff and reading the floor. So my plan for this garage is self-level the floor so we get a nice clean finish, and then we're going to epoxy it. And then we're going to build out shelving unit at the back, some shelves here. This side we're going to do a solar setup. So I'm going to put a battery, inverter and a fuse board, and then we're going to run out 240 outlets and some lights. I'm going to try and run that off some solar panels. Still deciding on what setup, but that's our aim. So I'll grab the camera now. And give a little, so as I said, solar, we're going to go here. So we're going to go like, inverter, charge controller, and then put some panels on the roof. We have the shelf here at the moment, just holding everything off the floor. The only problem is we've got a bit of a leak in the roof, which has caused the shelving unit to start rotting. The only problem is I was going to go on the roof and try and solve it, but there's a hole here and there's no water coming through it. It's in the actual panel. So I don't know how we're going to solve that, but it's raining right now. So my aim is sweep the floor, maybe try and get the floor level today, or primed, and then we can do the concrete tomorrow. But I'll do a little time lapse of the sweeping, and then we can go from next step. What I will try and do is get what it looked like before in the clips, and then we'll do before and after. But it'll probably be a few videos, one being the floor, maybe one being the roof, and then when we start doing solar, battery, lights, we'll go from there. So hopefully all this dries, and then I can prime the floor, put the concrete down, or cement, self-loading cement. At the moment it's a bit wet, but I thought it's better to wash it, try and get all that sand out, make a better floor. Now it's time to prime the floor. So we've mixed our primer 8:1. And now we're just going to brush it in. We're just going to pour it on. So today we're going to be using no nonsense self-leveling compound to level up the garage. I'm going to cut this beam so that I can go across here as a barrier to stop it. The floor doesn't look too bad, there's a stain there, but we sealed it. We're just going to go over the top. So I'm going to try and do a little time lapse, and we'll go from there, and hopefully it comes out nice. Then we can move on to the next bit.